we would be remiss with the NHL draft not tonight to not look at a hockey product. We're going to get a second look at SP Authentic. Since we went pack by pack last week, I pre-broke this, so let's check out the highlights from our second box. And if you remember, one iconic autograph Future Watch rookie per box, chance at a second, and some other fun stuff. Let's show you what we found in our second look.
Only fitting to have this on NHL draft night, Rob.
That's right. Red Parallels, Travis Konecny. Dougie Hamilton.
I don't know another Dougie in sports. I like how he spells out Dougie.
Victor Hedman.
Great player.
So I looked at the product breakdown. Remember last week we were guessing 2000, 2001.
Was it?
Retro.
There was no mention of 2000, 2001 in the sell sheet, though.
Yeah, it's all unlike some of the other manufacturers. Upper Deck has their sell sheet and their product breakdown.
That's right.
It'd be in there. So
we
got Ryan Suter, John Tavares, Dylan Larkin.
Ooh.
Alex Ovechkin.
That's how he would say it if he wasn't a household name.
Braden Point.
Great player.
Some inserts.
Ooh.
Top performers. Nice. Andrei Vasilevsky.
The big cat.
True leaders. Ryan Sutter. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
True leaders. Roman Josi. Celebrated moments. Tim Stutzel.
Correct.
January 15th, 2021. I know it's correct. You don't have to tell me I'm correct. Makes NHL debut for this.
I was giving you an attaboy. I was saying, yeah, go for it, Rob. That's beautiful.
Steven Stamkos.
Awesome.
Raising the cup. That's awesome. Zach Parise plays in 1,000th NHL game. That's two cards for your Wild, James, right?
Yeah. The Suitors in this one.
That's cool.
James, you missed the North Stars, or you like the Wild name?
Well, they left when I was a kid. And so, but I like the North Stars aesthetic, like the logo and the colors and everything. But I mean, I'm used to the Wild now. So, because I mean, that's what I mostly grew up with and know. So, yeah.
Very nice.
If I'm not mistaken, was this guy
He's somebody.
Yeah, he's somebody. Cal McCarr. Wow.
That's a beauty. That is a beauty.
What a future. And Nicholas Bodine.
Ooh.
Future Watch.
Very nice cards.
Spectrum FX cards. And as we talked about last week.
That's a boom, though, that McCarr. That's a nice card.
Are the bounty cards. But what's cool is these went unclaimed last week.
Oh.
So I'm going to pile all this together. You're going to get a jump on the bounty with 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, including 2 Future Watches.
Nice.
And then the Cal Foot.
So 4 bounty cards and 1 little lot there. Yep. Nice.
And then our auto, Bowen Byram, number to 999 for the Stanley Cup champion Avalanche.
Nice.
But we did, in fact, for a second week in a row, hit the second autograph.
Well, of course we did.
Favorite players, Future Watch rookie Philippe Kurashov for the Chicago Blackhawks, number to 999. So 3 winners from that box.
Beautiful. Well, Rob, I would say that Hot Hands Rob struck again.
Trying.